I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to share with you as I try it, see how it goes. I'm going to create a Sign Up Genius, but I want to put in there a Google Meet link. So I'm going to open up Google Calendar and just start a meeting on the Thursday the 29th. I'm going to call it, this is just for me, Parent Conferences, Ms. Flannery. And I want to put the date and the time, I'm just going to do the whole thing, 3 to 6:30, because this is just for me to have a link that'll be handy during that time. Don't repeat it. Add guest, add Google Meet. Yes. So now I've got this link that I can use. When I click on here, this is what I'm going to share with parents inside here. So I'm using Sign Up Genius. We'll see if I can figure it out. Create a Sign Up Genius. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. I just made it 5 minutes ago with my school email account. And I'm going to create, there should be a thing that says create a sign up. So let me delete what I started and messed up. So yes, delete it because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's start over. All right, create a sign up. Click on that. Parent, teacher, virtual parent-teacher conferences with Mrs. Flannery at Withrow. Everybody's got kids in different places, so select a group. You're going to make a group. I think you could add people to this group, but I'm just going to send it out by email. So type category, general, education, and you pick whatever theme you want. I'm going with this one, so I don't have to think about it. Sort by date, add a date, Thursday the 29th. And I'm going to try this. I don't really know what I'm doing. So 3 p.m. to 3:10 p.m. And my location, I'm going to pop in the link that I did at Google Meet. So I hit Control-C when I was on there before, and there's Control-V to paste it in. I'm going to hit Add. And then I'm going to try and do Add Slots. See how this goes. Bulk slots. I don't think that's what I want. I don't think that's what I want. Let's try this. Add dates. Add time slots. There we go. And now I'm going to put this in here and I'll delete the one I made on accident. So on that date, only to that date, from 3 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. every 10 minutes because we are flying through the options. And this is where I'm going to put in that Google Meet code. And I'm also, while I'm thinking about it, going to say on there or call. So let me put that in here. So at the end of this, space or join by phone. And then that has it on there. Add 21 time slots. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I accidentally made this thing twice, which is not what I wanted. So I'm going to get rid of that guy. Delete that one. Yes, I want to delete that one. So now I've got 3 to 10, and there's the Google Meet code. 3 to 10, there's the Google Meet code. Okay. That seemed like it worked. Available slot. Customize. If you want to name it something else, I'm just going to leave it like that. Let's see what happens next. Save and continue. Once we add a slot to your sign up. Okay, add slot. I only want it to have one slot per time slot. So title of slot, available conference. That's all I want on those dates. All dates, save. So now, yes, available conference. And then it's got those in there. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Then save and continue. Ask participants for name, yes. Email, yes. Comment. Actually, what I want is student name, and I want it required. Tell me who you're coming for. And actually, first and last, let me say goodbye to my students. I'm going to try and do this quick before my students come in. It won't work. So I want them to tell me their student name. I would love for them actually to also tell me what bell they're in, but yeah, add a custom question to ask. You can type in what class or what bell, because I have probability and stats and algebra 2. So I'll just not worry about that. I just mainly need to know their name, but you could type that in there, I think. So required name, email, and student name first and last. Preferences, allow people to swap. Okay. Don't care. Remove ads, whatever. Notifications, notify me by email when people sign up, edit or delete. Yes. You can decide. Send people reminders. Well, can't do it 2 days in advance. So 1 day in advance, I guess. Restrictions, integrations, don't know what any of that is, so I'm just going to hit save and continue. Okay, the thing about Sign Up Genius, you have to actually hit publish or no one will be able to use it. And then you can decide how you want to share it. You can embed in an email, by text, share on social media, website, whatever. I just want the link, and here it is. So copy link, and then I think if I want to look at it, this is what it would look like. So when a parent logs in, this is what they'll see: virtual parent-teacher conferences with Ms. Flannery at Withrow. I could change some of this wording on here. I'm not going to right now. Please review the available slides below and click on the button to sign up. Location, and then there's a Google Meet, and then or join by phone. And then there's a thing, and they could click sign up, and then it would sign them up. So I'm going to scroll back to where I was and hit copy link, and then I'll put that in an email out to everybody with whatever message I want. Hopefully this helps you. If not, good luck.